Hi everyone, welcome back to Chibi Chef. Today I'm sharing two easy and flavorful chicken breast recipes with ponzu sauce, an amazing Japanese citrus-based soy sauce. I'm making garlic ginger ponzu chicken and creamy mayo ponzu chicken today. These recipes are quick, simple, and perfect if you're new to Japanese flavors. I've actually shared several other ponzu recipes before and they've been pretty popular. Since ponzu is a mix of soy sauce and citrus, you don't need to measure and mix them yourself. And there are so many ways to use ponzu. If you haven't seen these recipes yet, check them out later. Now let's get back to today's recipes. First, let's trim and slice a half of chicken breast meat. To cook chicken breast evenly and quickly, it's better to slice it half-inch thick, so cut in half first. If you cook chicken breast for too long, it can be tough, especially if it's cut into chunks. So it's better to slice the chicken breast to keep it tender and ensure it cooks fully in a shorter time. Then place the slices into a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of potato starch and coat them evenly. I mix them with my hands, but you can use tongs to do this part. Now time to cook the chicken. Add some oil, like 2 tablespoons, and coat the chicken evenly. Cook the chicken over medium heat until it's golden brown on both sides. It takes several minutes to cook. If the pan is a little bigger, the chicken slices won't stick to each other like this, but it was fun to flip them. It looks so good though. Use a bigger pan and hopefully you guys won't need to separate the chicken pieces like me when you cook. Cook the other sides and we're almost done. When the chicken pieces are fully cooked, change to low heat or turn off the heat and pour in ponzu. Also add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, grated garlic, and sugar each and stir well to coat the chicken with the sauce. You can mix all the ingredients together beforehand, then you won't need to rush when you're cooking. And it's done! Time to plate up! Look at the beautiful golden brown crust. Potato starch coating is perfectly crispy, and the sugar has caramelized into a glossy glaze. For the finishing touch, sprinkle some sesame seeds or thinly sliced green onions. This crispy, flavorful chicken pairs perfectly with warm rice. The slightly sticky caramelized coating clings to each bite, making it so satisfying. Easy and simple. Give it a try! Let's move on to the next one. Same as the last recipe, slice 1 chicken breast into half-inch bite sizes. Marinate the chicken pieces with soy sauce. The best part about this recipe is that you can do almost everything right in the pan. No extra plates or bowls to wash afterwards. Marinate it for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, coat them with potato starch. Isn't it easy? Just like the previous chicken recipe, everything comes together in one pan with potato starch. I often coat meat with potato starch because it creates a nice crispy texture with just a small amount of oil and it helps the sauce cling better, adding a slight thickness. Add a few tablespoons of cooking oil and coat the chicken evenly. Cook over medium heat until both sides get a nice golden brown color. If you cook over high heat, the coating might burn, so medium heat is perfect on an even golden brown color. I didn't really use much oil, but look how crispy they are. After cooking the chicken fully, add ponzu here. It's better to turn off the heat when seasoning to avoid burning the chicken in the sauce. Lately looking great, but now here's the secret to make this dish extra rich and flavorful. Let's mix the chicken with creamy mayo to create the perfect balance of tangy, savory, and rich flavors. Look at the glossy, creamy coating. Let's plate it up while it's still warm and full of flavor. A sprinkle of black pepper and finely chopped green onions as a fresh contrast to the creamy sauce. The chicken is coated in a rich, creamy mayo ponzu sauce. And for those who love extra creaminess, here's one last touch, an optional drizzle of mayo. Let's forget about the calories and just enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. ありがとうございます。See you again. またね